An odd-eyed cat is a striking sight. A feline whose gaze reveals two distinctly colored eyes, one blue and the other green, yellow, or brown. This unique appearance is the result of a fascinating genetic phenomenon known as complete heterochromia. Heterochromia is not exclusive to cats. It occurs in other animals and even humans. But in cats, it's especially pronounced and captivating. There's also a variant known as partial heterochromia, where a single eye may be split between two colors, such as blue and another shade, forming a mesmerizing mosaic of pigment within the iris. Most often, odd-eyed cats are found among those with a white coat. The genetic roots of this trait lie in the interplay between the epistatic, dominant, white gene and the white spotting gene. The epistatic white gene is powerful. It masks all other color genes and renders the cat completely white. The white spotting gene is responsible for cats with bicolor patterns, such as the classic tuxedo markings. When either of these genes is present, they can interfere with the distribution of melanin, the pigment responsible for color in the eyes, skin, and fur. If melanin granules don't reach one eye during development, that eye remains blue, while the other, receiving normal pigmentation, turns green, yellow, or brown. This process is not common in cats that lack both the dominant white and white spotting genes, which is why odd-eyed coloring is most frequently seen in white or predominantly white cats. It's a rare and beautiful quirk of genetics, one that has enchanted cat lovers and breeders for generations. Across the world, several cat breeds are known for their odd-eyed members. Among these are the van cat, Turkish van, Turkish Angora, Sphinx, Persian, Oriental Shorthair, Japanese Bobtail, and Khao Mani. Each breed brings its own history and cultural associations to this remarkable trait. The Turkish Angora, for example, is deeply cherished in Turkey, where the Ankara Zoo runs a dedicated breeding program to preserve pure white Turkish Angora cats with striking blue and amber eyes. The odd-eyed Angoras are particularly prized, not just for their beauty, but for their significance in Turkish folklore, which holds that the ideal cat should have eyes as green as the lake and as blue as the sky. The van cat, native to the Lake Van region in Turkey, is another breed closely associated with odd-eyed coloration. These cats are renowned for their affinity for water and their distinctive appearance. The odd-eyed trait is celebrated in Turkish culture, not just for its aesthetic appeal, but as a symbol of luck and happiness. In 2010, when Turkey hosted the FIBA World Championship, the mascot chosen was Bascat, an anthropomorphized odd-eyed van cat, underscoring the national affection for these animals. Beyond their visual allure, odd-eyed cats capture the imagination because of the mystery and science behind their appearance. The blue eye in these cats is often the result of a lack of pigment. In most cats, melanin gives the iris its color, but when pigment is absent, the eye appears blue. The phenomenon is similar to the way the sky looks blue due to the scattering of light, rather than any inherent color. The other eye, having received its full share of melanin, displays green, yellow, or brown hues, depending on the specific genetic makeup of the cat. Interestingly, heterochromia in cats is not typically associated with health problems. However, there is a connection between white coat color, blue eyes, and congenital deafness in cats. This is most commonly seen in cats that are entirely white with two blue eyes, where the lack of pigmentation can affect the inner ear. Odd-eyed cats, having only one blue eye, may sometimes be deaf in the ear on the same side as the blue eye, but many are completely healthy and live normal lives. The fascination with odd-eyed cats extends beyond their genetics and appearance. Throughout history, cats with heterochromia have been seen as magical or mystical. In ancient cultures, cats were often regarded as protectors, and those with unusual features were considered even more special. Odd-eyed cats have been subjects of poetry, art, and folklore, celebrated for their ethereal beauty and enigmatic presence. In modern times, odd-eyed cats are popular among breeders and pet owners alike. Their unique eyes are often highlighted in cat shows and competitions, where judges look for symmetry, color contrast, and overall health. The breeds most likely to produce odd-eyed cats have been carefully nurtured to maintain the trait, while also ensuring genetic diversity and well-being. Beyond the show ring, odd-eyed cats make wonderful companions. Despite their unusual appearance, they are just like any other cat in temperament and behavior. Playful, affectionate, and curious, their striking eyes may draw attention, but their personalities endear them to families and cat enthusiasts. Owners of odd-eyed cats often report that their pets seem particularly expressive, as if their mismatched eyes give them a greater range of emotion or a deeper sense of wisdom. The allure of odd-eyed cats also plays a role in raising awareness about genetic diversity in domestic animals. Understanding the genetic basis of traits like heterochromia helps breeders make informed decisions and promotes the health and longevity of these animals. It also encourages appreciation for the myriad ways in which nature creates beauty, sometimes through the most unexpected means. In summary, odd-eyed cats are a testament to the wonders of genetics and the enduring appeal of feline companionship. From the snowy streets of Ankara to homes around the world, these cats captivate with their singular appearance and gentle charm. Their eyes tell a story of pigment and development, of heritage and culture, and above all, of the unique bond between humans and their feline friends. Whether seen as lucky charms, living artworks, or simply beloved pets, odd-eyed cats remind us that beauty comes in many forms. Their gaze, one blue and one green, yellow or brown, is both a scientific marvel and a source of endless fascination. As we celebrate these extraordinary animals, we honor the diversity of life and the joy that comes from sharing our world with creatures as remarkable as the odd-eyed cat.